It's not officially open, but already persons living with HIV are calling the new wellness center on Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew a blessing. The clinic will provide free services to persons with HIV and other related illnesses. Here's Kirk Wright with this evening's Ray of Hope.
A ray of hope.
At 138 Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew, the AHF building stands tall. It's a wellness clinic set up to treat persons living with HIV infection. It officially opens in the first week of February, but Dr. Kevin Harvey, who is the Caribbean Regional Manager of the facility, is already seeing patients. Ainsley Reed, who has been the face of persons living with AIDS, is one of them.
The Wellness Center provides free care to those who are HIV infected. It also provides care and support for persons with any kinds of sexually transmitted infection, counseling services, and other kinds of support.
And the offerings don't stop there.
We also host a project here for the interventions in the prisons. We provide HIV screening and support for those who are infected in the prisons. We provide in the prisons simple things like toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap, rags, things that can, toiletries that can help them to survive a little bit better in prison. We also host Women Health Network, which is led by Dr. Stevens in our offices, and they do a lot of outreach and surgery for persons who have gynecological problems.
It's estimated that only 10 to 12,000 of the 30,000 persons living with HIV in Jamaica are getting the proper treatment. Dr. Harvey says the clinic will aim to help bridge the gap. That also means persons who are treated at the AHF clinic will be given free drugs.
So this is another avenue for persons to get on treatment. So we are willing to take as many as we can to fill the capacity of the clinic. And if we have to open another clinic, then I suppose we will.
The Wellness Center will also be equipped with a lab, pharmacy, and a conference room. There are also areas for private sessions with counselors and nurses. For now, the clinic's opening hours are 9 to 4. I'm Kirk Wright with a Ray of Hope.
A ray of